Welcome to the Little Wood House. My husband recently built me a mobile stand for my mini lathe, and I love it. But I needed 3 knobs for the front. So I sketched out a simple design on paper, and then I transferred that idea over to a piece of poplar installed on my lathe. The template would have worked well in this situation if the knobs had to be exactly the same, but this was a shop project and it was mainly just practice to see how well I could eyeball this. So I turned down the wood into a round dowel shape and then remeasured the spacing so I could remark it with the pencil before proceeding. And soon after the knobs were taking shape, the poplar cracked and it flew out of the chuck. I was really lucky to only receive a light whack on my chin. And I learned from this point on I'm going to make sure to wear my full face guard. Fortunately, the wood was still usable, so I repositioned it back in the chuck, making sure it was extra tight this time. I had to make it round once again, but I was able to produce 2 nearly identical knobs. Okay, maybe not perfect, but it was great for my first time at this task. I then used the coping saw and the sander to prep those pieces. My husband then pre-drilled the knobs and the drawers to install them with a screw. I also turned a larger, stubbier knob for the cabinet door. Overall, I was excited to learn something new and glad the finished project was a success. If you'd like to see the full lathe stand project, I'll put that link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on any future projects. Have fun building. See you next time.